Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to pay property tax in Telangana. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Telangana how to pay property tax. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for more videos. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instruction for an user to follow and complete this procedure. Also, we have provided few links for external websites and forms which are crucial in completing this procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, Wiki Procedure has provided a select language tab to select the language of your choice from the drop-down menu to understand this procedure easily. List of items covered in this session: need to pay property tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today, this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us find the need to pay property tax. Property tax or house tax is a local tax imposed on the property owner by the local governing authorities from the state government. Vacant land is generally exempt from property tax. Central government properties are exempt too. Instead, there will be a service charge collected as agreed. Properties of foreign mission also enjoy this tax exemption. Tax exemption is applicable for selected selected citizens as well as organizations like educational institutions, charitable institutions, ex-servicemen, in-servicemen, retired pensioners association, NGO homes, teachers association building as applicable for the tax exemption. Property tax clearance is required for most of the other services including water supply, sanitary, electricity connection, because while you apply you have to produce the no due certificate in order to process the application. Let us see the documents required. You will require property tax identification number, PTIN, owner name, address of the property and Aadhaar card. And this PTIN can be obtained from the old receipt if you have. Let us see how to pay. Telangana government have implemented no manual mode for property tax payment. The online portal is well planned to accept the payment from the users. The tax assessment issue a special notice, issue of annual demand notice and receipts which are 100% computerized. The GHMC, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, uses the following formula to calculate property tax. Don't worry about the complexity of the formula which is provided here. The local governing officials or the authorities will be helpful in understanding how the property is accessed and how the amount is arrived. They will be a better person to explain this in detail. In order to pay your property tax through online, you have to use the website which can be reached with the online link which is provided in the page here. So to know your property tax details, use the link which is provided here so that you will reach a page which will look like this. Here you have to enter the select the circle and then the PTIN number, then the name of the owner and the door number, then hit search property. You will identify the property and the other details which are required for processing a request. Once you have completed that, you know the property tax amount. To pay your property tax, you have to go to the website through the link which is provided in our page under the online session. So in order to reach the page, use this link. You will reach here. Please enter the PTIN number, property tax identification number, and hit no property tax dues. You will get the screen with the details of the property and the due amount which you need to pay. And you are supposed to select and enter details which are required to fill the screen, and you will get a OTP for the mobile number which you have used, and enter the OTP on the provided space and reach the payment gateway page, where you have to select the payment mode, online or RTGS or other means. Finally, after completing the online procedure for making payment, you will get an acknowledgement for the transaction you have made. Please keep it saved or printed for your future reference to show that you have made property tax online. And this portal is useful to make property tax throughout Telangana. Eligibility: you should be an Indian citizen and age of 18 years plus, should own a land or property in your name in Telangana. Validity: the property tax paid is valid for 1 year. Every year you should renew it. In certain places of India, these renewal can be 6 months once too. Fees: the property tax amount is calculated based on the residential area, so it varies from property to property and place to place. Property tax for a building is calculated based on the basement area, the rate prevalent in the street where the property is located, meaning benchmarked amount. Usage of the building, residential or commercial. Type of occupancy, owner or rented out. The total span of the building's existence, how long it is been built, or the criteria which is taken in consideration for assessment of the property tax amount. Processing time: payment of tax will be completed as and when it is paid to the respective department. Offices and contacts: Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, Lower Tank Band, Hyderabad. Helpline phone number and website details are provided here for your clarification of doubts and complaints. And also the contact link which is provided below here will be helpful in reaching the contact page which will help you to get the accurate office address and phone numbers for your requirement to clarify any of your doubts and complaints. Online resources: all these links will give direct access to these websites which we use so far to complete this procedure. Understanding the importance of these links, we have provided them as links at appropriate places to save your valuable time. Other information: all residential and commercial properties are assessed for tax. The information about all new construction, meaning if you own a building of 1000 square feet and you are adding 200 square feet to it, then the addition of 200 square feet has to be mentioned to the assessment office for including the same in the next assessment period. There will be a strict action against the defaulters. It is advisable to pay the tax on time to avoid such situations. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to pay property tax in Telangana.